Okay guys, this is lesson 3 of Unit 1 with World War II. This one when we talk about the deaths in the war or killed in action. Here's a link for you guys to go to. This link is also in the written lesson plan, so if you can't get it to you, so if you can't get it to you on this, then you can go to the written lesson plan, it'll be there. What you're going to do for this one is that you're going to look up stats with certain countries. Those countries are available in the written lesson plan if you want to go back to those. And what you're going to do to this, you're going to create a bar graph. And here's a link to the bar graph. Click on bar graph right here. All that grid lines, do 6. Yeah, 6 grid lines. The graph title up here would be Deaths in the War. And you just continue to go down these. Let's say you put like the USA for this. Italy for this, Germany for this one. And like a value, put like 100. It's not going to be 100, but I'm just using this as an example, like 152 or 153, and 123 for Germany. And this one, that's fine. If you just want to use that, that's fine. Then that's what the bar graph would look like. Then you would print it, or you can download it and send it to me over a link on your email. Or you can just email it to me right here. Do an HTML, don't do the text. It's pretty simple to do. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Go back to the bar graph here. And then like I said, I originally was going to use this as the normal part of the lesson, but if you want to make a screencast, you can do that too. It will be extra credit, like I said. It will be about 2 to 3 minutes long if you wanted to do something like that. Like I said before, that will be extra credit if you want to do that. And that's the end. Like I said, and that Screencast-O-Matic, you can just search that up on YouTube, or not on YouTube, but on Google, it should pop right up. You will need to download onto your computer for you to use it. But besides that, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys have fun. See you in the next lesson.